Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your taskbar has seemingly disappeared or missing from your desktop on your Windows computer. So taskbar is where you can find your favorite apps and start menu. When the taskbar goes missing, you may have trouble opening apps or accessing system settings. And then I'll show you a few useful solutions that should help restore the missing taskbar. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung personalization. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung taskbar. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa taskbar, and then scroll down ulit. At select mo lang dito yung taskbar behaviors. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa taskbar behaviors, and then makikita mo dito yung taskbar alignment. And then kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong automatically hide the taskbar. So uncheck mo lang yan. And makikita mo na makaibigat na nag-appear na dito yung ating taskbar. Alright? And then another solution na pwede natin gawin just in case na disappeared or missing pa rin. So close lang natin tong settings. So dito lang ulit sa taskbar ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click dito sa blank space area. And select mo lang dito yung taskbar settings. And then madadirect tayo dito sa taskbar settings and scroll down ulit. And select mo lang dito yung taskbar behaviors. And then dito sa kanyang taskbar alignment or i-uncheck mo ulit dito yung automatically hide the taskbar. Okay? So kapag naka-check yan, uncheck mo lang and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung taskbar natin. Alright? And other solution na pwede natin gawin ulit. So all you have to do is to right click again on a taskbar blank space area dito sa baba. So right click and select mo lang dito yung task manager. And dito sa task manager at dito lang sa processes tab ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Windows Explorer or i-type mo lang dito sa taas. So type mo lang dito yung Windows Explorer. And then mag-appear kaagad dito. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin itong i-restart. Kung paano ba yan gawin? So i-select mo lang and right click. And kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung restart. Okay, so click mo lang tong restart and then wait natin. So once na restart mo na and then makikita mo na kaagad dito yung ating taskbar. Alright? So if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang ulit sa search menu. So click mo lang yan. At dito sa search for app, so i-type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word yan and press mo lang yung enter. And then beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space up system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu. And then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix taskbar has disappeared or missing from the desktop in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.